In this video, you're gonna see how they make deep dish pizza at the world-famous Chicago institution, Lou Malnati's. I visited here in the Chicago episode of the wine show I host and produce, V is for Vino, which you can watch for free on our page. Plus, you'll learn a bit more about how Lou Malnati's got started and what wine I would pair with this. Enjoy! Just a heads up, we're gonna be doing a lot of eating while we're here. Now, even though some Chicagoans may try and tell you that deep dish pizza is just for tourists, trust me, locals still can't get enough of it either. And they argue regularly about which spot is best. For me, it's not even a contest. Welcome to Lou Malnati's. One of my crew members is Chicago native, and when I told him you were gonna be here, it was like I told him Beyonce was gonna be here. He was so excited because Lou Malnati's is...
Why, do I look like Beyonce?
It's his royalty as far as Chicago food scene. So thank you for having us in the kitchen.
We're gonna make the real deal today.
I almost feel like I'm getting some secret that I shouldn't know. Don't tell my wife I'm gonna take off my ring.
Really? I keep mine on because my wife has an issue with that.
The dough is honestly the magical part of this pizza.
You know, when you pick it up and feel it, you'll feel it's kind of pillowy, right? Breathing, right? It's had a chance to rise. So we've got a little olive oil in the bottom, and now what we're gonna do is just kind of press it out to the side. Just taste a little bit. Usually kind of beer flavor, right?
Oh, it does taste like beer.
Gently pull up the sides. It's a thin dough with thin sides, but the sides have to come up enough to contain
so that was my question.
Prodigious amounts of mozzarella and sausage. This is mozzarella from a little dairy in the middle of the state of Wisconsin. A little more in your mouth. So we're just going to talk like this, like a couple of guys from the back alley. We're going to go a couple layers. Important to get good coverage. Why?
You don't want any bite without cheese.
You don't want any bites without cheese.
Couple layers, all right.
All right, now you're gonna take some sausage. Now I like to just kind of take a little bit of time and just start working it down the sides. And as you notice, there's no fennel in this sausage. Now you know who uses fennel in their sausage? Guys who buy flavorless bad meat.
Is there a secret to the sauce? Look at the size of the tomatoes on the sauce.
Look at this.
They're almost, a lot of them are almost whole.
When I get these babies,
Perfect.
I mean, it's like eating peaches, isn't it? It's so sweet.
It is actually, they're super sweet.
We send a crew out to California every year, and when the tomatoes are at their reddest, when they're at their fullest, we say, go.
So you do this and then you can them up.
We can them up for the year.
Yep.
And we can a couple 100,000 cases of these things. We want to cover all the meat. These are ready.
That's it.
We're going to go right in here.
Now we wait.
We're going to leave it in the oven about, 25, 30 minutes. We don't want to cook it too fast. I could get hotter, faster ovens. But this is a bread product, and I want to take it time.
You wanna drink some wine with me while we wait?
How about that?
All right, let's do that.
I'm in.
So I did Syrah from Santa Barbara.
Oh.
Because if you get a cool climate Syrah, like one from Santa Barbara, what you're gonna get is the acidity that you get from Sangiovese and Chianti, but I like the meatiness that you're gonna get because the classic pizza here has the sausage on it. And that meatiness of the Syrah coming off the gaminess of the meat. Cheers.
Well, it's great color on this Syrah.
In addition to matching flavors, the acid in the wine likes the salty cheese, fatty sausage, and acidic tomatoes.
My father worked for my grandfather at another pizza place in the city. And he finally decided, you know what? I want to have my own. And when he opened, holy cow, they hadn't seen anything like that in the suburbs. There's people lined up at the door, down through the parking lot, around the corner, into the neighbor's yard.
It blew up.
I was 15.
And you were probably dragged into the restaurant.
Oh yeah, and told to bring my friends. But then, not too long after that, he gets cancer. I get out of school and try to turn things around in this third store that started out kind of ugly. One bad store can take two good ones down. So we closed that store, we kind of regrouped, we owed people money. We started doing outdoor festivals, and we get back on our feet financially, and then we start opening more stores. And this time we do it a little smarter.
The best piece of advice I ever got was from another entrepreneur, and he said, You know, there's going to have to be someone in the business who is going to refuse to let it fail. And if you're the owner, it's probably going to have to be you, like at any cost. And that sounds like exactly what you did.
Yeah, that's wisdom right there.
Yep. How many stores are there now?
60, 70 stores.
Oh, congratulations.
We've been pretty blessed.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, to your father.
Yeah. Look at that. That's a frickin' symphony right there.
You can hear it too. There we go. Look at that, it's like a commercial. This is absolutely tremendous.
Pizza toast, wine toast.
I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's as good as I remember. Every time. You think, oh, how many times could you have the same thing and it'd be as exciting as the last time? And it truly is like that.
Now, do you ever dunk yours in the wine? I mean, you ever just got to dunk it and then...
You're an efficient guy. That's really what it comes down to.